Alright, this is my 2021 SB130. Currently finished the build for now. It's my do-it-all mountain bike. Do XC races, park days, a little bit of everything. I do have a spare set of rims for it when I do other stuff, but I normally just stick with what I got. Got a mini DHR on the rear, a little bit more faster rolling. And I got the Assegai on the front because it just grips into everything. Got the Fox 36s with 160 mil of travel. So it wasn't a lunch ride, but I've spec'd it up to one. While I'm on the front, I have the Tech 4 V4 calipers and brakes with a floated disc and a vented disc, as you can see. Pulls up, it's great for the downhill runs. Cockpit, Cane Creek head bearing, got race face bars, 790 wide, and a race face stem. Yes, it is a super bike. Silverado seat, which is standard. I've got the Fox DPX2 shock. It's been taken out to 137, and it's got the second biggest token on it. Race face pedals with a bit of scarring. XO1 cranks. It's got all plastic covering on it because I can't ride for shit and I fall off and scratch it a lot otherwise. I have an XT derailleur. Bit of a sin, I know, mixing the two, but they're just easier to have and they shift a little bit better than SRAM ones. Alright, on the rear, also have the Hope brakes. They are just a piece of art though. This thing pulls up like magic. Had the code RSCs on there before and didn't think much of them. Also got the Hope Pro 4 hubs on the Hope rims, the 4-35. Haven't buckled them yet. This has been staying pretty true. And while we're going, we might as well do the compulsory sound check. So that's my do-it-all mountain bike. Cross country, park, playing around town.